Layla takes over the vlog. Okay, oh my goodness. Oh, Colby's gonna be in the back. We are finally sitting down to do this. If you guys are watching this, that means we've completed Whole30. Layla says hi.
Hey, look at her.
I have my little notepad so we don't forget anything. Like I said, we completed Whole30.
Uh-oh.
Oh boy,
Uh-oh.
Layla's going for the camera. We're gonna try to do this as fast as we can because Little Miss is flabby. Yes, flabby, and I've been trying to get Connor to sit down and do this. We finally have the time, so we're gonna do it now.
It's one yawn. I'm actually tired though.
Always yawning. It is later though. If you're watching this and you haven't watched any of our other vlogs, we shared vlogs the past few, gosh, like 3 or 4 vlogs where we did Whole30 and we both did it. Honestly, I don't think I could have done it without you doing it. If you don't know what Whole30 is, it's basically an elimination diet. It's not a diet to lose weight. That wasn't really our goal. We were just eating crappy. We were feeling gross, sluggish. And I've always been telling Connor, I'm like, I swear you would have more energy if you ate better. Like, just do it 2 weeks. And he actually committed to Whole30 with me. Basically, it's to figure out like what your body reacts to, you know, what makes you sluggish, what contributes to the way that you feel. And I actually read more recently about how like your mental health starts in the gut. And so it's really important that, you know, what we're putting in our body is good for us. And then also it was really helpful because Layla ate a lot of that food too, because we've been doing baby-led weaning with her. She's still trying to get the camera. Oh, look at that head.
It's so shiny.
Look at that bald head. And so, yeah, and you guys can look up Whole30 too. We just I went on the Whole30 website and looked all the details. It's basically no sugars, no processed anything. So no sugar, no alcohol, no grains, no
cheese, dairy,
no legumes. And you're probably like, okay, well, what can you eat? Lots of fruit and veggies, basically. Meat, sorry. Lots of fruit, veggies, and meat. Excuse me. Everyone's just joining in on this venture.
So
we have
popular.
trats. That's trats.
What?
Treats. What? I don't know.
Oh,
You're gonna say like pets and treats? I don't know. So we have Taze here, Kobe's behind us. I wanted to go over our favorite meals.
Chicken.
So, and we'll get into the results in a little bit as well. Your favorite meal was what?
Chicken. Chicken
with what
buffalo,
though? Not just
buffalo
chicken.
Sauce.
Yeah, he was obsessed with the buffalo sauce, and that would be the
Like a chicken
Primal
salad.
Kitchen.
Primal Kitchen buffalo.
Buffalo, super good.
Yeah.
One of our favorites for sure. We still have like 4 bottles though in the pantry. But he loved the salad with chicken. I liked the chicken with barbecue, but I think the salad with chicken, avocado, and then I added egg to mine in the last week, and it was super good with that. We made a lot of sweet potato and broccoli. That was really good, like the charred broccoli. And then Layla, again, was able to eat a lot of it as well. What was another favorite meal? Anything else besides that one? We didn't really do very much variety. We were eating the same thing. That really wasn't great.
There was a lot of salads.
Yeah.
Oh, shrimp. A lot of shrimp.
The shrimp was good, yeah. She really wants that camera, you guys. I wanted to do this during her nap time, but Connor's working during her nap time. Okay, so hardest thing on Whole30.
I'm still trying to think of what that other really good meal was.
We had burgers.
Oh, burgers.
Burgers were
with
really good.
avocado.
Yeah.
Tons of guacamole.
Yeah. That was really good.
What was the next? What was your question?
Hardest thing. The hardest thing for you.
I don't know. I just not being able to eat whatever I want whenever.
It was I think it was time consuming. Hardest thing was like
it takes forever to cook.
Lots of cooking, so much cooking. We could meal prep, but you can only meal prep for a couple days.
Yeah, it was just the amount of time you spend cooking.
Yes, lots of time cooking.
Everything.
I think it was pretty easy after like the first week, I'd say. And towards the end, we should have done more variety, but we didn't. So we got sick of things really easily. But you are the type of person, excuse me.
Taze, get out of here, buddy.
You guys, this is a hot mess, I'm sorry. This is just our life right now.
Good boy.
This is our reality. And then easiest thing. What was the easiest thing?
To make? Easiest thing about the diet.
Hardest thing, actually going back to that, was also going out to eat. Like if you wanted to go out to eat with someone. Like when I did keto, so easy to go out to eat. But with Whole30, nothing is Whole30 really. Unless you get like just a plain salad. Okay, and then easiest thing?
Easiest thing about the diet or to cook?
Easiest thing about the diet.
Hey!
Like I said, sorry you guys, this is a hot mess, but this is our life, trying to get this in. Oh, now she's gonna be all, she's literally just so happy off camera. Okay, easiest thing was...
Or just if you look at the entirety of the diet, the easiest part of it.
Yeah. So...
There's nothing easy about it.
Yeah, it's really not easy. She just really wants the camera, you guys. Hey! She's not happy that she can't get to the camera. Okay, trying to do this, but we have a crabby, teething baby, like I said. So as far as transitioning out, they want you to reintroduce food groups in slowly so that you know what your body reacts to. So because Conor was dealing with a lack of energy towards the end, just because he wasn't eating enough, he was just not getting enough calories, not getting enough carbs, he needed more energy. He started transitioning back earlier than I did. So he did not make it the full 30 days. And then if you guys watched, he also did have alcohol at one point. But either way, he still stuck with it and as long as he could, basically, besides that. And I'll talk about our results in just a little bit. But overall, we both felt absolutely amazing. As far as me, I transitioned a little bit faster than I wanted to. Just because I had like an event going on and then just one thing after the other, and it just like, it wasn't done the way I wanted to, but still wasn't terrible in my opinion. But yeah, like I said, it could have been done better. But right now, where we're both sitting, we're both kind of back to eating the foods that we were eating before, but more conscious of what we're eating. So I took an after video, before and after video. I'll put them side by side on the screen here, but here's the before and here's the after. And honestly, like, you can't really tell, but I could really feel the difference just in how my body felt, how I was carrying myself, and just like my gut health as well. So that was really huge. And even Conor said he noticed it in me. I didn't notice like any visible changes other than maybe like a slight reduction in bloat, but the scale doesn't lie, and the scale showed me that I still lost weight. And like I said, I didn't do this for weight loss. If you watch some of the vlogs, I was editing myself and seeing myself from like different angles, and I was tearing myself down, which I know I shouldn't have been doing. And I know that even Conor, he was like, the camera is like a wide angle right there, and that's not how you look in person. And I'm like, it's still like, I don't like seeing myself like that, and I don't like feeling that way. And so I just wanted to do it for me, and I'm not doing it for anyone else, but I still want to, I don't need to lose weight necessarily, but I want to tone up my body because, you know, if I'm in good health, then I can take care of everyone else, and that's most important. So, all right, we have like 10 seconds, you guys. Okay, so as far as our results, how much weight did you lose?
10 pounds, right?
Yep. Conor lost 10 pounds, you guys. I have proof, if you don't believe me.
Yes, 10 pounds.
And I lost, I'd say 8. Oh, here she comes. I'd say I lost 8, and then I net about 6, I think. She's got the biggest smile on her face going right towards the camera. But at one point I was down 10, so I didn't weigh myself until like right the day before I think Whole30 ended. We didn't weigh ourselves the entire time. And then I was down 10, and then you know how women's bodies are, they fluctuate. Hi, do you see yourself?
All bodies, honey.
All bodies, but women's bodies especially fluctuate throughout the day even, is what I was going for.
Thanks,
hi.
honey.
Yeah. Okay, so how did you feel overall?
Way better. After like the first 5 days, I had a lot more energy.
He started noticing a difference right away within the first 5 days. Mine probably took about 2 weeks, but I was also like up with Layla a lot, and they're just dealing with the tiredness of motherhood. So there's that. But overall, yeah, I think we figured out like what things not to eat, what to watch out for. I think I already told them that we had to transition you back a little bit earlier because of the carbs and all of that. Just towards the end, you needed more energy. And I think that was just, there are foods that you can eat during Whole30 that have a lot of carbs in them, but we just didn't know like what those were, and you just weren't eating as much as you should. Layla takes over the vlog.
Look at her.
So I included my before and after photos. We don't have an after of yours. It's not right after, but mine was, I did it like on day 31, I think, or 32.
Did you?
Yeah.
That's strong.
And then back. Step this way just a little bit. There we go.
Got some Sharpie on my arm.
Do you remember what you were before?
203.
190.29.
10 pounds, baby. Whoa.
Sure. You lost 10 pounds?
Clear.
Gosh. Oh my goodness. Okay. So, I kind of told him how I was feeling overall and like, what? You want a piece of paper?
Yeah, it's my to-do list, which I guess I don't have to do anymore because it's shredded.
Mm-hmm.
Sweet.
Can you wave at the camera? Say hi. That's you in there.
I got a bunch of stuff checked off this actually.
Yeah. It's climbing
climbing
on Connor's legs. That's pretty much it for this vlog, but if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you guys for following along on this journey. It's been rough to film it just because like filming vlogs with an infant and trying to edit them and upload them and find the time to do that. Not only that, but my other job, which is social media content creation on the other platforms where I actually have like sponsored collaborations where I get most of my income. So it's been just really hard to keep up on the vlog front. So I need to be better at filming videos that aren't as long form or making sure that it's very curated content. And I know like this week I'm filming one video and I'm editing it rather than like a bunch of clips together and then at the end of the week trying to put them together for the following week. So I do love sharing vlogs. It's just been a struggle to try to get them up, and I want to get back into the groove of things. And if you guys will watch, I don't know if I'm going to share it in the next couple of vlogs, but I went through quite a few postpartum struggles the last couple weeks between the end of Whole30 and filming this. So yeah, thank you for bearing with me, and I'm hoping you guys liked what we did share, and I will try to do my best going forward. So thanks for watching.